Ebusuya Kevin Taylor be twan through bi sana na do dan kwakufu ado aban no ageda 111 no mantimi wie ba kompo afi o say university kwa MPP NCB na afi regional hospital to MPP NCB na santra we twa no ba be exposing the big time am enti ensem no kai ne ba le wi a na me exposing the big time.
You could not build a single regional hospital in 8 years. A single. Agenda 111 went to mensi ba kuma ba tan kuma nkowo. Eno ne yanhwe so nto aba ma MPP 2028. We dwuma no ebi no. Nana no Akufo-Addo, you could not build one university, one from scratch. One university for this country. You could not build one university.
Now, Ebusuya will take Kevin Taylor or say, I know the Akufo-Addo aban no in 8 years into me crying we under the 111 back home. Nebusuya, this is the fact about the 111. So the 111 hospital no was started in the year 2021. 2021 they started the 111 hospital. In fact, ye free aban mu no, ye wie de Ahantan West Bogro eno nie, we Ahantan West ye wie. Yanso wie eye Eastern region abomoso de eno nso nie, eno nso ye wie ye. Ye wie no kwa Asante region ye wie eye trade at the 111 eno nie ye wie ye. Kokobin de nso ye wie ye. Kokobin at the 111 nso ye wie ye. I think ba ko bi kan no everyday no. Now, we are no free on ma your vomit hospitals a bit is away we are swami your sabronum your contombra your bebre and on the gugusono and you need and you have vomit hospitals. What you say? No card 111 home. If we are about regional hospital, no case okay Eastern regional. You see Eastern regional hospital. Eastern regional hospital, I'm not gonna say almost 95% complete. I don't know where the Oshawa Eastern regional hospital. I know so also. And what wa regional hospital na do dan Akufo-Addo ne bewie starting the Akufo time enu nie fefefe wa regional hospital na fefefe osia e wo honom no na ebusuyen ready dem dey ato eye soro yi na wo hwe video no so dan wo say President John Kufuor in conclusion the Upper West Regional Hospital regional hospital no was initiated by President Kufuor in 2008. The construction of the hospital was continued by Atamils and John Dramani Mahama, and it was completed and commissioned by Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo, the Baby Hospital Akufo started in 2008. And now I'll share you know. And what he was say MPP are buying by when see university be Akufo-Addo kwa AC Ebusuya me na me chiro pictures any videos we Nana Ebusuya yan chiro videos of and pictures of university Akufo-Addo by see 6 by mama 3 time ni so mama 3 now number 1 another Akufo-Addo build the local government university wa Akomadan Offenso North and Ebusuya pictures na me dey go on my watch no into way university wa Ashanti region Akomadan University local government university wa Offenso North am na say oni mo bi o Offenso North obetumi afa ni video call na wa ko gina Akomadan University no watwa oni aye video call na wo hu university na Akufo-Addo esi wa Akomadan eno na wo no ahwe fefe we university wa Akomadan afei ekopiemu ewo phase 2 of the University of Health and Allied Science UASA atame o see phase 1 no na Akufo-Addo be see phase 2 na wo na Ebusuya hwe ne fe na onim say ewo ho ene the biggest midwifery school in West Africa, whole West Africa. Phase 2 another Akufo-Addo we see no ama UAS na be the biggest midwifery school in the whole of West Africa. Another Akufo-Addo ene ba be see afei ko kopiemu ewo Eastern regional Bunsu University of Engineering and Agricultural Science and nso Busuya and nso atwagu another Akufo-Addo ne den esi enti no me ma Kevin Taylor ono no nko school da na camera ni mu ntwa wontro abra so wo fa phone na obetima ya research na wo hu schools another Akufo-Addo aban ne den eba your baby see ye ubehu you will find out. So don't let someone on one school no sit somewhere and mislead you. Someone mislead you, whilst you can just take your phone and just do a little research and you find out all these projector. I know the Akufo-Addo baby here. There are tons of projector. MPP aban be here ya se meka adempo be den e be chien. Adempo be chien. So when Kevin Taylor mislead you that, unless you don't want to do research, unless you are not ready to learn, that is when Kevin Taylor bit me mislead you. But if indeed no, you are ready to learn, we can't let you know say the another Akufo-Addo Bawumia government infrastructures about hospitals, schools, roads, factories, there is no government that can be compared to another Akufo-Addo government, the Fourth Republic. telling you, then this is fact. This is fact. So this Kevin Taylor guy, Charlie, you don't know anything. He just the mislead people, sir. You don't know anything. He just mislead people. And I've been telling you people all this while, say this guy is just a manipulator and just misleading people. He knows nothing. He knows nothing. He's always misleading people and lying to people. He knows nothing. He knows nothing. One was it see film it can't watch so say in a university and now I want come on we na money we see we hospital go for hey bro me no can so ko pim we fia kwanta regional hospital na me no can say Addo ye no teaching hospital almost see buildings no crack no more we answer the free aban mu if you kwanta western region you don't know one no back onim hwe ono back onim hwe Kevin Taylor onim hwe the be also ya one kasa one you know nothing. And this is the guy people have been listening to. Sometimes I ask myself, what is this guy actually telling you people? I'm going to what? Then I'll catch them. I'm going to I promise the blogger studios. Nyanto Basi. That's so Nyanto Basi. Sorry, that's so Nyanto Basi. I did. We tell them that I'm telling my book left until we are filming. Let's also subscribe to the channel on the mommy. We are turn on notification button and like it. Nama Kevin Taylor who said I from comment no comment. What do you think about the expose Kevin Taylor just now? No, you want to comment section. Maybe I'm just so I promise the blogger studios. You better watch the pray. I mean, ensure no come so the united. Me say 2025 you won't we